Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the device with the Apple ID that controls Game Center and make sure you're online. Once signed in, open Settings and tap Game Center. You'll see your current nickname and account email. You want a compliant new nickname, 116 characters, so prepare it now. This first step prevents confusion between multiple accounts and ensures changes sync across devices, so don't skip verifying your Apple ID and network connection before moving on. Now you perform the actual rename. Tap your nickname or the edit control within Game Center to open the text field. You enter the new nickname and double-check spelling because that name appears to friends and leaderboards. Once satisfied, tap Done or Save so the change writes to Apple's servers. If the name is already taken, try appending numbers or a minor variation. This keeps it recognizable. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the confirmation and syncing to complete before exiting settings. Finish by confirming the new name appears in games, leaderboards, and on other devices that use the same Apple ID. This can take a few minutes to propagate. If the change doesn't stick, sign out of Game Center, restart the device, then sign back in and repeat the rename. This clears local cache and forces a sync. If problems persist, check your Apple ID status and contact Apple support, since account or server issues can block nickname updates and require backend help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.